In a world of rapid progress, the very foundation of the displays that light up our world, Everchemtech is not just a chemical materials company. We create the best solutions for our customers through innovation. In display manufacturing and transport, materials are exposed to potential damage, while ordinary products with A3H scratch resistance often increase defect rates. But Everchemtech's anti-static layer, with excellent scratch resistance of 5H, helps reduce defects and improve process stability. Glare from external light can cause discomfort and even danger, but Everchemtech's advanced coating minimizes reflection, delivering clarity, comfort, and safety. Everchemtech's coating maintains its anti-static performance without any degradation, even after 1,000 hours of extreme testing at 95 degrees Celsius. At Everchemtech, innovation is at the heart of everything we do. It's how we deliver our technology to customers. Our uniform and durable anti-static layer enhances production yield and drives significant cost reductions. Through exceptional quality and relentless commitment, we continue to meet and exceed our customers' expectations. With high scratch resistance and stable performance, even under extreme heat and humidity, Everchemtech delivers innovation. Its low reflection technology ensures exceptional visibility, even on UV. Everchemtech provides the foundation for the technologies of the future.